So it could very likely be the reason why you're not making money trading right now is because you're using strategies that are way too subjective. For example, ICT, smart money concepts, even other things that you've tried probably, they're not data driven. So what happens when you try to trade is that your perspective on a chart versus your favorite guru's perspective, that guy who's had about 8 years of experience versus you who's had about 2 months of experience, you guys are looking at the chart completely differently. And for you to see the same thing that he sees or she sees is very hard and most likely won't happen until you're very experienced. So the best thing you can do as a beginner trader is to simply follow a data-driven strategy that's going to help you pinpoint the best entries and exits possible on your chart. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I do in order to achieve that. So without further ado, let's show you the one indicator that I'm using that removes all my emotions when I'm trading, and I show you exactly how to use it. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this strategy. This strategy works on both TradingView, as you see right here, and Chart Labs right here. So whether you're not you like TradingView more or Chart Labs more, this strategy works on both platforms, so you can use it on any platform that you want. And you do not need a premium subscription for TradingView or Chart Labs. You can use both the free versions of those platforms. So just because most people know TradingView, I'm going to continue on TradingView. This is what we're going to do here. We're going to add this indicator on our chart called ES Premium. So ES Prem. If you don't have access to this indicator, because it's not going to be in the public library over here, it's an invite only script. I'll show you exactly how you can get it at the end of the video and start using it yourself. So this indicator, what it does is it gives you these buy and sell signals directly on the chart, the same way Super Trend does or UTBot, but this also has a bunch of added features and is much more accurate, which is very important for this strategy. So what we want to do here is we want to understand exactly what we're trading and what time frame we're trading. For this example, I'm going to trade the 4-hour time frame on Netflix, but this works on any time frame and any asset. So if you're trading futures or you're trading crypto or you're trading forex, you can do that. And in this video, I'm going to show you different examples for the strategy on every single platform as well and every single market, so you can see exactly what I'm talking about and how it works on every single market. So without further ado, what we want to do is we want to activate a couple features inside of this algorithm right here that's going to help us determine what's happening with the chart and understand exactly that's going to help us determine whether or not we're buying or selling on the chart, and also help us understand what the current market conditions are, which is very important for our trades. So over here, I'm going to leave it on default settings on 3. If for some reason the signals do not look good on the chart that you're looking at, you can always customize this by bringing this up or down. So between the 1 and 12, the lower this number, the faster these signals come in your chart, and the bigger the number, the slower the signals come in your chart. You can also use the Elite Tuner mode, which basically will pick its own sensitivity for you. So you can also use the Elite Tuner mode, which will happen you can also use the Elite Tuner mode, which what happens is that it's going to pick its own tuner, its own sensitivity, and try to pick what's the best buy and sell signals on a chart itself. So for this strategy, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and turn on both the Elite Order Blocks, which you see right here, and we're going to turn on the Trend Scalper. Those are going to be the two overlays that we're going to turn on. And then also down here, what we're going to do is we're going to enable the take profit and stop loss recommendations. We're going to go a normal stop loss, and we're going to use 2 take profits. And that's pretty much it, because the market panel is already checked on by default. So your settings should look just like this, and your chart should look just like this. So the strategy is very simple. Let me show you exactly what to do here. So we're looking at the chart right now. We're on Netflix. We see that the trend sniper cloud over here, this turned red, and we got a sell signal, right? So this sell signal is going to appear as soon as this candle is closed. That means that the next candle after the signal is your entry candle. And you want to try to be as close to the entry as possible. So this little entry label here, when we try to get close to it as possible. Next, what we want here is we're not taking the trade yet. What we want to do is we want to simply just wait until an order block is formed. You see how an order block is formed over here? Once that order block is formed, this is telling us right now that there is momentum going downwards, and we got our sell, right? So we got huge sell pressure over here, and we got our sell indicator right there. Then all we want to do then is just simply take the trade. We use our stop loss, our take profit, right? So we can target this one if we want to, or this one, or even halfway through both. So For example, what I like to do personally is I like to trade at least a 1.5 risk reward ratio. So I'll go like this, then like that, for example, right? This will be my trade here. Or honestly, even if you don't want to have a stop loss this big, you can usually lower it a bit, but it's up to you. But basically, the trade will go like this. The price is going to start going down, as you can see, and boom, keep going. The price is going to hit our take profit right over here, guys. So just like that, the price hits our take profit. Now, if you see a buy signal here, that doesn't mean get out of the trade because we're trading with trend here, right? So we're trading with the trend. We're going to see some low pullbacks along the way, but in general, this is going to make us a lot of money. Same thing for over here, for example. We got the order block that came in on this buy right here. Then we got a buy. They're right beside each other. We can take that trade, right? Very simple. Let me show you guys some more examples. All right, here's an example. This time looking at US 30 on the 4-hour time frame. We can see that right over here, we got a buy signal. The price is above the red. The echo cloud turned green. Down here, we see that a new order block was formed. This is telling us that there's a lot of upwards pressure right here. You can see there's more buyers and sellers, it's even indicating this inside the order block. There's more green and red. This means this is again an entry that a trade that we can take. We simply just target the take profits. Very simple, guys, right? So run this trade, see what happens. Right there, hits take profit 1, just like that, right? And does it hit take profit 2? I'm not too sure here. Pretty much it would have hit take profit 2 right up here. And that's how simple this strategy is. I'll show you guys a couple more examples. So here's another example, guys. NZD USD, this is a forex pair on a 10-minute time frame. We see that over here we got a sell in a red echo cloud. Price went down, but then reversed. And we also had the order block. But why is this a bad trade versus the other ones? Very simple, because the order block had a lot more buying potential than selling potential. There was more buyers in that area than there was sellers in this area. Makes sense? It's indicated by the order block. So then we don't want to take this trade, if that makes sense. Next, we see over here, we have a new buy, and we see our order block. The order block has more buyers than sellers. It's very faint because I have to zoom in to see it, but there's almost no sellers here, and it's just a green bar right there. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. So then this is another trade that we can take, guys, right? It falls into a strategy. As we can see, look at this. Way more buyers than sellers, right? That's pretty much how it's going to go, guys. That's a strategy. If you guys like this strategy, you have more questions about it, you want to understand how it works, let me know in the comments down below. Hit that subscribe button. And now let me show you guys exactly how you can get access to this indicator so you can start using it yourself. So to get access to this indicator, very simple, guys. All you want to do is simply go over here to elitesignals.com and you can simply sign up for access. Now it is a paid indicator, but it is only $1 to try for the first 10 days. So it's pretty much free. Try it for 10 days. If you don't like it, cancel. If you like it, stick to it. And that's pretty much it. So without further ado, thanks for watching, guys. Have yourselves a good day. Peace.